Like if I get a job thrown at me and said, hey, I'm looking for an AEM architect, I'm like, what does that mean exactly? What do you want exactly? Like an AEM architect should understand the full breadth of the product. They should understand everything that it does. They should I mean, and this is where they also need to be able to lead a development team. They need to be able to do the doing of running the project and do the project as well. But what kind of is the difference? And you and I were talking about this earlier, and this is super astute what you were saying earlier on the difference between a developer and an architect. And
like
I never really different between a tech lead or a lead developer and an architect is really that the architect has to have seen enough to know, really, to be able to make a pretty good call on everything that a piece of software can do. So that if somebody says, well, should we use AEM to connect to connect to this backend database and store it in, like, well, I know AEM can do that. AEM shouldn't do that, and I've seen it, and it catches on fire, and we shouldn't do it that way. You know what I mean? So you need to know enough about that. Lead developer, yes, needs to be able to do the doing of all that sort of thing, but the architect needs to have be able to sit, one level up. Besides that, yes, needs to be able to go in there and pitch in and say, oh, you need me to write this service, I'll write this service, or you need me to go and configure this thing.
There's definitely that aspect of experience and skill that might actually align the two in a lot of ways, especially on the experience side. But then there's those soft skills too, right?
Yeah.
And being able to be that bridge between business and have those communication paths.
Oh, totally.